Well, those gusty winds apparently blowing again. You are all being warned to take it slow on your morning commute.
CBS 2 meteorologist Craig Herrera has been up in Valencia. He's been keeping an eye on the wind with the mobile weather lab. Craig.
Hey there, Jeff and Sharon. Yeah, and this wind this morning is rather chilly as well. Here's the CBS 2 mobile weather lab. Winds have been picked up. I was standing here and just kind of pushed around moments ago. Sustained 13, 15, and the gusts at about 24. If you look up over my shoulder here, you can see the trees really blowing around, and that's Newhall Ranch Road. And of course, we've seen a lot of these gusty winds. We shot some video just moments ago as the trees have been swaying back and forth, especially as the sun comes up. You can really see it. Not only can you hear it, but you can certainly see it. And of course, all of these gusty winds are making it pretty rough for some of the people out there as they hit the roads.
Yeah, once I get into my work van, start driving, you out of nowhere you're driving, it's all fine. You get a big gust, it just toss you over.
Yeah, toss you over, even just standing here. So it's one of those days as you hit the roads, make sure you're holding on to the steering wheel quickly. And Jeff and Sharon, I have to tell you, day 3 out here, need a little chapstick after some time. We'll send it back to you.
Yeah, I bet, and a mobile humidifier.
Exactly.
It's so dry out there, I'm sure. Thanks, Craig.